అందరికీ నమస్కారం హాయ్ నేను మీ తాప్సీ యాక్చువల్లీ మధువాల మాట్లాడుతున్నాను మధువాల అంటే నా పేరు షాడోలో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ షాడో ఆడియోకి అండ్ I expected it ఎందుకంటే one of my best albums of the career and ఒక్కొక్క song is some other energy level song and thank you so much first my audience and ఆ తర్వాత thanks to my director ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఒక కమర్షియల్ మూవీలో all the 5 songs are I'm there in all the 5 songs I'm there from the introduction song of the hero till the so-called item song ఇప్పుడు ఒక special song because I have done it so I'm in all the songs I'm very thankful to Meher sir first song album లో shadow title track అంటే one of very American pop starish video and audio చాలా కష్టం అలా వీడియో తీసిన ఎందుకంటే వెరీ తెలుగు సాంగ్ బట్ హాలీవుడ్ స్టాండర్డ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ తెలుగు పర్సన్ షుడ్ లైక్ ఇట్ సో మెహర్ సార్ నాకు ఒక what do you say challenge he threw a challenge on me that you have to look like one pop star half song shoot చేసిన తర్వాత they made me come to this song మళ్ళీ starting nunchi we shot the whole song with me and one of my most favorite songs endukante I love hip hop and all that dancing style little bit of hip hop and westernized dancing style and that I did in this movie amazing costumes actually costumes and makeup gurinchi cheppalante I have to mention my costume designers Divya and Lipsa both of them have done hard work like much more hard work than I have done in this movie to make me look good and makeup artist kuda Nikki really made me look like one glam diva in the songs starting from shadow I had to have this American pop star oka international standard appearance undali aa song lo ade main challenge and dancing ante Raju Sundaram master is the best one of the best masters I've worked with and actually starting lo you feel a little scared to work with him because very perfectionist and a very taskmaster master but very chill from with me he was like really nice and cool so I'm really happy thank God next song Gola Gola actually Switzerland lo shoot chesanu really cold place lo actually na expression freeze ayindi akkada naku shorts and all glamorous outfit and all I was wearing but kani chala kashtam akkada dancing and giving the expression so much of cold weather again Rajasundaram master akkade very interesting very stylized choreography a song lo kuda and it is a duet but a little stylized duet next song a movie lo Aitulakka I was like brief ante Aitulakka lo crazy no stylized glamorous okay anni okay kani ee song lo you have to be crazy oka mad person laga you have to dress up so we have this one sparkling jiggy dress one we have one carnival colorful extra colorful dress I start off with one half tone dress and when I'm whistling and all like mass song with the very very westernized feel but a mass type of mixture because you have a little bit of beats in the end with which you shot in pattu sari and all that in front of a temple there so that was really funny Aitulakka song lo choreographer is the only song which is not choreographed by Raju master and it's choreographed by Dinesh master another very good choreographer na first Tamil movie nunchi I've been working with him and I mean starting lo he was like he never did like heavy dance movements with me ippudu ee shooting lo he was so like he used to give the assistant one step he'll not tell me end moment unchi he will like yeah you will do it and just take lo 1 minute mundu he'll call me okay you do this I was like na mean that anta namakam. Actually, I was like little shocked seeing that from a choreographer. Last song, Naughty Naughty. Actually, the movie shoot చేసిన తర్వాత మెహర్ గారు was like, okay, so this is like one item song. ఎవరు కావాలి item girl? ఎవరు కావాలి? I also gave some suggestions. Many people gave some suggestions. But ఒక కొత్త అమ్మాయి కావాలి and they wanted some good dance number. So dancing style undali అమ్మాయిలో. So I was little like giving suggestions from my side. Everyone was giving suggestions from their side. Kani end lo suddenly he was like, oh, actually every time he was like, I want you only to do it, but let's see, item song. I don't know everyone will agree or not. So I was like, okay, let's see. Anni try చేసిన తర్వాత suddenly he sends me a message, Tapsi, you know who is the girl doing that song? I was like, sir, who? Everu. It's like, Nuvu. I was like, oh my god, are you serious? Because I heard the song and the song vinnanu. And whoever does this song, this will be like in your career forever. Because lyrics chala baagundi, tune kuda baagundi. So it's like dancing style undi ante you'll just rock the song like anything. He was very clear. I don't want this to be an item song. I want it to be a special song from my heroine in the movie. So I was like so thrilled. The whole shooting finished, only this song was left, and we shot this song very late. But this is going to be one surprise package for all of you. Taman has done again a wonderful job. Raju Sundara Master Malli choreographer, and yeah, I have danced in it, and some amazing dancers behind me also. I wish I have done a decent job. And remaining you will see and tell me. And lyrics, I think everybody knows. Ippudu varaku I have heard this lyrics from so many people around me, and I think everyone knows it by now. I'll try to sing it. Venki sir, as I say, walking talking film school. Actually songs lo ఒక different style undali, and Venkatesh Garu enta pedda artist, and he is ippudu kuda he is ready to work on his self. He was very careful of his diet so that he is looking fit. He was very careful about his health. Song shooting lo kani end lo he was doing all the CCL and all. Health baaledu kani Naughty Girl lo he has danced the maximum out of all the other songs. And talking about the producer, well, such a big project, you have to have that kind of a capacity to hold on to all the artists, pedda artists a movie lo, and including obviously the hero or to the villain kuda. Chinna characters lo also we have like really big artists. So like everyone together to manage everyone and make a big budget movie look like a big budget movie on screen. Kanipinchali that so much of money has been spent on this. It's really thanks to the producer for that, for investing so much of money in this project, and I hope he gets the returns. Thank you. MS Garu, actually my first movie nunchi na combination chala bagundi. Chummani Nadanlo kuda ippudu varaku I have done so many movies with him. Ee movie lo I have like maximum combinations, hero tarvata maximum combination ayanato. So MS Garu is like expression king. Like he'll give some interesting expressions short majhalo telikunda we'll be like surprised where this interesting expression came from. So he's a very obviously big artist, and people like him, if I work with them, that's my way of learning from my co-actors. So again, he's a big plus point for the movie. He's going to make you laugh like anything. So see the movie for him as well.